Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you about how you can get the market data from the APIs in Python. So for that I have already written that code. Let me zoom it up for you. Here you go. So for that, I will be using the Finance API, which is the Yahoo Finance API. This can be used to get the data. If you do not have it installed, please use pip for non-Mac and use brew for Mac OS. Okay. So what I will be doing is I will be using the ticker. So what ticker determines? Ticker will determine the ticker of the stock. So for here I am testing Amazon's stock. The ticker name is AMZN. So this is a method which takes the ticker, creates a ticker object. Okay, then what we do, we use to fetch the we'll get the history from that ticket object. Let's see how the history is represented. Let's try to print that. Here you can see, this is the history, like what is the date, what is the open count, what is the high, what is the low. Then we have the close count as well. Since the interval we have selected is 1 day, we are getting 1 day data. You can choose it to be 1 minute, 1 hour, or anything. We have start date and we have end date. I have created a function to get the start date, which should be the previous business day. You can define that. You can define your own logic. Okay, so ticker data is printing, ticker data is getting, so it's printing the details. So what I'm using this ticker data, I am printing the value. Let me comment that and use it again. You can see, so this is the sticker name, this is the current stock value, this is how much it has incremented, um, and this is the percentage increment. How I'm getting that, I'm differentiating it from the current value minus the last close value. So if you see the response object of ticker data, it is a list. Basically using the close object you can get the value of the previous tree. Okay, so let me show you how it looks actually. Here you go. So this is the value: open, high, low, the volume that are treated. Similarly, it will have a close value. Okay, so if you want to get the 1 hour data, simply use 1H, or probably, yeah. Here you see, you'll get the data points per hour, per traded hour. Okay, you can similarly use the 1 minute. I have specifically used here 1 hour data just to get a clear understanding. If you want to load that data, you can simply dump it into a CSV using the Python data frame or Python pandas, anything. Okay, so this is a simple code how you can get the ticker price from the current ticker price. You can also create a web app using the Tkinter GUI from Python. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel.